Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dave and today I'm really excited to bring this unboxing to you. This here is the Lenovo Legion 5 gaming laptop with AMD Ryzen 5 processor, which is roughly equivalent to Intel i7, even better than that, and it's almost equivalent to Intel i10. So let me not waste any more time and show you around the box. Very plain box, brown box, not glossy. So on this side, yeah, some barcode and all these things, and on that side this has the specifications of that. CPU stated as there, RAM is 8 GB, storage 1 TB HSD. We'll go through that in a little while. And display, battery, yeah, go to the back. Yeah, so I bought this from Amazon. The MRP of this is 93,690, but I got this from the seller Appareo Retail Private Limited, and right now in Amazon a sale is going on, and I got this for around 60,000. So usually it sells for around 67,000. So it's a really nice time to buy this laptop. Huge discounts going on. So if you want, you can buy this now. So made in China, yeah, and manufactured in 2022. Alright, now let's go ahead. Let's not waste any more of your time, and let's do the unboxing and show you the real product. Thermocol, that's the laptop. Let me just carefully bring this out, and let's see what else is in the box, and we'll see the laptop in a little while. So we have some documentation here, safety warranty guide, the restriction of distribution for Windows 10, of course it is Windows 10, and we have the setup guide for Legion 16-inch, 15-inch and 17-inch. We have the 15-inch here. So the initial setup guide, overview, all the ports and all those things are given here, and additional information. So yeah, it's always better to go through it once in case you miss anything. Let me just put this aside. So here is the power brick. So this is a fast charger, quite thin I would say compared to the earlier models, and this is 170 watt, and this apparently charges really fast, 50% in 30 minutes. So we'll be doing all this testing in the review video. Stay tuned for that. And this is the port for the power charger. So the usual one, you see this in all the Lenovo laptops. Nothing very special about that. And this the power cord is long enough. I think it's 1.7 or 8 meters, so it should be long enough if you want to reach it from your power source if it is far away from your table. And this is the cord, and 3-pin, the usual 3-pin, and well built, really nice. Alright, let me just put the huge box away, and we will see the star of the show now. Quite a huge box. Alright, neatly packed in foam, and very carefully I will just bring this out. Also packed really neatly in a black cloth bag. Oh, nice. So now the laptop is out of the box. Let's have a good look at it. So we have the Legion branding in this side. This is a light reflective. It's reflecting light in different colors, but this is not backlit. On this side we have the Legion branding here, and it is made of plastic, guys. This is not metal, but this is very good quality plastic, and matte finish, not almost rubberized, but this is matte finished. Looks really premium, looks really nice. And this is the Phantom Black model. So as you can see, it's almost black, not completely black. So let's go around it and show you. So in this side we have one USB port here, and this is the exhaust. So this laptop has a lot of exhaust because this is a gaming laptop, so you will need very good thermals and very good exhaust. And on this side the majority of the ports are here, so that is nice. They have given it in the back because for better cable management, you don't want while playing games your hands to get tangled in the wires, right? So for that, for it to be clean, for it to be hassle free, all the ports are at the back. So this is the power port here, and this is the Kensington lock. We have HDMI port here, two more USB ports here, and we have a USB-C port here, and we have the LAN port here. Again, a huge exhaust, two more exhausts here. We already saw one exhaust on the other side, and on this side another exhaust here and another USB port. So lots of USB ports. This is almost like 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports in total, one HDMI, so, and one mic USB-C port, and we have this the headphone jack here, so really nice to see. And on this side we have the speaker. So this laptop has 2 into 2 watts Amon Cardio speaker. So Amon Cardio is the parent company of JBL, you might know it better as that, and these speakers are tuned by Dolby Atmos, and this also has chamber inside that for spatial sounds when you are playing games or you're seeing movies, so it gives amazing sound. So we'll be doing the sound test and all those things in the full review. Stay tuned for that if you want to see how it sounds and among other things. So coming to the back now. Alright, so as you see, huge ports. Again, gaming laptop needs good thermal, so they have given very good thermals, and you see this is a huge mesh inside, and this is totally a huge exhaust here. All the heat can go out, and this has actually something called Legion Coldfront 2.0 technology, and this is 6-point thermal sensor. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So we have the sensors here, and again in the review we'll be going much more into details into that. So here it's a rubber grip, it's a rubber stand, rubber foot, and Legion branding here, so it's really nice. It will give good grip, and also here we have 2 rubber pads also for good grip, the hologram here, and some technical details here. All right, now we will just see about that before I open this up. So the memory of this has 8 GB of RAM, which is expandable. Also the storage of this is 1 TB HDD. Along with that, this is 256 GB SSD. That's right guys, these have a total of 1.256 GB of internal memory, and I'll tell you why I got this. There are other models also which has 512 SSD and all those things, but when playing games you need a lot of storage, and also you need it to be very fast. So the operating system of this is in the SSD, so it boots up really fast. It takes 5 seconds to boot it up and 5 seconds to shut down this PC. And again, we'll do all the tests in the review, so subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned for that video. And this is Windows 10 with an option to upgrade to Windows 11. Again, why I did not go for Windows 11 immediately, because I will not be upgrading to Windows 11, because you might know Windows 11 has a lot of bugs, so I really don't want to experiment with Windows 11 at least until it's stable. Okay, the gaming card which is NVIDIA GTX 1650, which is more than enough to handle all your games that you can throw at it. This is more than enough. Alright, now let's open this up. Before I do that, let me just tell you a little bit about the hinge. The entire thing is made of metal. The hinge is of a really good quality, and I can open this up with a single finger, as you can see. And the hinge is so good, as you can see, wherever I leave it, it stays in place. So it's staying in place. So that is the hallmark of a good laptop. You have to open this up with a single hand. So this is covered with a really nice high quality tissue like substance, so that the screen does not get scratched. So really nice attention to details. And we have something, congratulations services, yeah, something like an insurance, protect and all these things. So you can do that if you want to. Let's put that aside now. Again, inside rubberized, we have the mouse pad here, quite clicky, nice. This is not glass, this is normal plastic. And yeah, Ryzen 4000 series, AMD Radeon graphics, and NVIDIA GTX, all the brandings are there. Audio by Harman, as we saw, and shortcuts here, all these different types of LEDs. Again, I'll go into all these things, all these details in the review video. And the keyboard itself is typical Lenovo ThinkPad keyboard. They got this from IBM. When they bought IBM, they took this keyboard. This is really nice, really soft, really good for gaming purposes. This is a full size keyboard. We have the numpad here and the direction keys here, really comfortable if you want to play games and any such. We have the power button here, and on the top we have 2 mics here for streaming purposes, and we have a shutter here. You can remove this, the camera here, and when you can shut this off, it shows red when it's shut off. For privacy purposes, these days privacy is a concern, so that is really good to have. Just start this for you. So as you can see, it has backlight in that. Let me see, turn this on. Yeah. So it has backlight in here, but sadly it does not have RGB. RGB backlight is there in the more expensive model, that is in the Legion 7, and but again that costs 1,20,000, so that cost double of this, so 1,30,000 if I'm correct. So I have set up this laptop just to show you the quality of the screen. The screen here, this is a 15.6 inch full HD IPS display, and this is anti-glare. I can tell you the anti-glare quality is really nice, not like some other models which has just a screen pasted on top of that and you can see the shiny edges around the corner. This is a truly real anti-glare screen, and the refresh rate of the screen is 120 Hz, which is really awesome for gaming. It will give you a smooth experience for gaming and also while watching videos or any movies that you want to do. The bezels are really thin, as you can see, and the active area of the screen is 84%, which is really nice. So I'll be doing the screen test, the video test, the sound test, everything in the review video, a really comprehensive and thorough review, so stay tuned for that. Now let me just feel that this is a very heavy laptop. This is a really heavy laptop. This costs almost 2.3 kilos, and since this is a big one, it is not feasible for you to keep it in your backpack and travel a lot. This is something like just keep it, use it as a desktop. Of course it is portable, it's compact, but it is not that much feasible to carry it around. Alright guys, so that's the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, do put them in the comment section below and answer each and every one of you. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and goodbye.